All right, today is Monday, November 30th. It's the last day of November. And right here you can see there are 14 days, 14 school days until Christmas break. Okay, so here's what you're doing today. First, how are you feeling? Then here's your to-do list. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory will be read aloud at 9:45. Here is the Zoom meeting information. Remember, we're moving from Google Meet to Zoom. Okay, and it is chapter 20. If you can't join the Google Meet, listen to it here. Because you still have to do the word wizard even if you don't join the meeting. Okay, and it will be chapter 20, not chapter 18 that's on here. For math today, we are on lesson 12. So watch this first, and then there might be a different video here, but if not, watch this one. Okay, then you're going to set a timer for 10 minutes. See how much you can get done, but then you do have to do the exit ticket, which is right here. So make sure you do this one. And up here on the problem set, you just set a timer, see how much you can get done. Okay, friends? All right, for the next, and then, so you need to be on lesson 13. Done with 12, on 13. Take a break. After that, it's language, and you're going to watch this video that explains the holidays around the world. And then you're going to do a Nearpod activity. This one is student-paced, so hopefully everyone can get on, do it without me having to change it again. So, you're going to color your suitcase and color page for our trip around the world. If you are a hybrid later gator, you should have the papers you need. I think I might have missed one of you. If you don't, click the link below and you can print those out. We will be adding stickers to this to the suitcase, so please don't draw pictures on the suitcase, just write your name. And then color the other page. That's all I want you to do. Okay, then you're going to take the spelling pretest. Here are our words. Don't cheat. So here's the spelling pretest. Here are your words. Then after that, it is science. So you're going to click here to watch video you answer these questions after you watch it. Then there is an activity that you can do. And here's all of the, so you would need to print both of these out to be able to do that. After that, I have a slide for music if you want to do that. And then you are done. Don't forget to submit. Please make sure you reach out to me if you have any questions or comments. And I hope you guys have a great Monday and a great week. We'll see ya.